Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and technical data to help you understand the market. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Litecoin, LTCUSD, one of the leading cryptocurrencies, on October 18, 2024. Litecoin has been buzzing in the news lately, with recent developments suggesting a surge in interest and potential for price appreciation. One of the most significant headlines is the recent filing by Canary Capital for a spot Litecoin ETF, which, if approved by the SEC, could bring institutional investment into Litecoin. This news sparked a price rally for Litecoin, highlighting the potential for increased demand and price stability in the long term. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Litecoin has been in an overall uptrend for the past year. However, it seems to be facing some resistance around the $65 level, which has been a previous high and is likely acting as a barrier to further upward movement. The recent Litecoin ETF filing has brought renewed bullish sentiment to the market. If the ETF is approved, it could potentially push Litecoin's price beyond the $65 resistance and into new highs, especially given the growing interest in Litecoin from institutional investors. However, there are some bearish factors to consider as well. Litecoin's price has been volatile in recent months, with some investors taking profits following the halving event in August. The broader cryptocurrency market has also experienced some recent volatility, with macroeconomic concerns weighing on sentiment. If the Litecoin ETF application is rejected or faces significant delays, it could dampen bullish sentiment and push the price lower, especially given the market's current volatility. It's important to note that the approval process for a spot Litecoin ETF is not guaranteed and could take several months or even years. Traders and investors should be prepared for potential price fluctuations in the short term. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed perspective on Litecoin's recent price action. The 1-hour chart provides a more granular view of the recent price action. We can see that Litecoin has been consolidating within a range for the past few weeks. The price has oscillated between $64 and $67, suggesting a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. The recent Litecoin ETF filing seems to have added some bullish pressure, pushing the price higher. However, we haven't seen a decisive breakout above the $67 resistance level yet. This suggests that while there is bullish sentiment, it's not yet strong enough to break through the resistance. If Litecoin can break out above $67 and sustain a move above this level, it would likely signal a strong bullish trend. The 15-minute chart offers an even closer look at the recent price action, providing insights into potential short-term trading opportunities. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart for a more in-depth view. Looking at the past few days, we can observe a series of higher highs and higher lows, which is a classic sign of a bullish trend. The price seems to be finding support around the $66 level, which has acted as a floor for recent price dips. This level could be a potential entry point for short-term traders looking to capitalize on any upward movement. However, it's important to note that the price action on the 15-minute chart is extremely volatile. Traders should use appropriate risk management techniques and limit their exposure to potential losses. A breakout above the $67 resistance on the 1-hour chart would further strengthen the bullish case for Litecoin. However, it's crucial to observe the volume accompanying any price movement. Increased volume accompanying a breakout would confirm stronger bullish sentiment and increase the likelihood of a sustained rally. Conversely, if the price falls below the $64 support level on the 1-hour chart, it could signal a shift in momentum and potentially lead to further downward pressure. It's crucial to monitor the news and events surrounding Litecoin for any potential catalysts that could influence price action. For example, any announcements from Canary Capital regarding the progress of the Litecoin ETF application or news about new partnerships or integrations for Litecoin could significantly impact its price. In summary, Litecoin is currently facing a critical juncture. The recent Litecoin ETF filing has introduced bullish sentiment, but the market is still highly volatile. Key levels to watch include the $67 resistance and the $64 support. A breakout above $67 on the 1-hour chart would signal a strong bullish trend, while a breakdown below $64 could lead to further downward pressure. Traders should use appropriate risk management techniques and monitor news and events surrounding Litecoin for potential catalysts that could influence price action. Keep an eye on the volume accompanying any price movement for confirmation of bullish or bearish sentiment. Remember, the market is dynamic, and the information presented here is for educational purposes only. It's crucial to conduct your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.